The record-to-report workflow optimizes the financial lifecycle for CFOs, controllers, and operations teams that require efficiency, oversight, and transparency. Zava, an innovative smart fabrics company, is reshaping finance through AI, covering everything from designing accounting frameworks, capturing and reporting transactions, and overseeing budgets, to closing financial periods and evaluating business results. The CFO at Zava has established clearly structured accounting policies along with well-organized departmental and organizational hierarchies. This ensures precise transaction posting and improved financial visibility. Zava can also expand internationally thanks to support for multiple currencies and languages. A flexible, dimensional general ledger maintains adaptable account structures and automates mappings through posting profiles, minimizing errors as the company grows. AI-driven cash forecasting anticipates incoming and outgoing funds, helping Zava safeguard liquidity. Automated reconciliation aligns bank statements with ledger entries. The account reconciliation agent speeds up the closing process by identifying inconsistencies and recommending corrections. Financial reconciliation can be further streamlined using a co-pilot directly within Microsoft Excel. Create more effective budgets with scenario modeling, rolling forecasts, and insights based on data. Maintain spending discipline through automated allocations, controls, and clear approval processes. With intercompany automation and voucher-based traceability for each transaction, teams can quickly drill down into details and remain prepared for audits. Inventory accounting accommodates various costing methods and monitors actual variances, enabling confident decisions on margins and pricing. Convert data into actionable insights with built-in dashboards that provide visibility into revenue, expenses, aging, credit usage, and bank balances, while allowing scenario planning to stay proactive. Modern reporting tools simplify the creation and sharing of profit and loss statements, along with expense analysis. Microsoft Dynamics 365 redefines financial management with AI capabilities. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel. There are many more videos ahead about Microsoft technologies and how they can help your business. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.